It definitely doesn't feel like yesterday, but I remember back when I was in 5th grade when I got my first iPhone. I got a red Otterbox for it, and today, Otterbox sent me a package. So we're gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. Hey, Shotty. That was a horrible cut. Okay, let's see what we got inside. Dang, they hooked it up. Let's see. You guys get to see before me. What do we got here? I forgot they have like the drop tested standard. This is military standard. I do drop my phone quite a bit, so this should be good. It's also compatible with the Apple MagSafe charger, which is sick. Wireless charging is dope, and I don't utilize it enough. Then we got the clear case right here. Boom. Super fire. We got one more in the pack. No way, they sent me out a screen protector too. That's gonna come in handy because mine doesn't look too pretty. Just on the screen, I don't know if you guys can see it, but my screen protector is like kind of falling off there. Doesn't look very good right here, so a fresh screen protector will always do the trick. Huge shout out to Otterbox for this. This is bringing me back to my childhood. Except back in the day, I feel like every Otterbox case was like a brick. I swear it was like that thick. These look a little bit slimmer. They're probably just going with the times, you know? But I'm super excited to put one of these on. So let's go do that. I've never been good at putting screen protectors on. Definitely not my best work, but we're gonna run with it. Thank you so much to Otterbox for the new cases. We're looking clean now. I really appreciate it. Younger me would not believe this whatsoever, and I'm just so happy to be making these videos, and I'm super happy you guys are liking them so far. We're gonna keep this grind up. Stay tuned till the next video.